All right, today we got this this new body X5 G05. I believe it's a 2022 model with the inline 6 B58C engine. So I'm about to do a water pump job on this bad boy. So the water pump is leaking. It's got like a little plastic cap on the water pump where it's leaking. So I'm not sure if that's a manufacturer's problem that's going on, but from the company who makes the water pump. But you know, it is what it is. So that bad boy leaking, I'm replacing it. So if you got anything with the B58 in it, and it's got coolant on the ground, more than likely that's where it's coming from. All right, so I got some more parts out of the way so I can so I can see what's going on here, so I can get a little closer to it. But water pump right there. So where it's looking at, I'm about to take the bed off and start replacing it. Alright, bad boy is out. Bad boy is out. This old one, new one, about to go in. All right, got this bad boy back together. Got the water pump back off in there. So we got the belt drive on, all the hoses and the charger pipe hooked up. I'm about to drop this fan in, drop the fan assembly in there, and then I'm gonna fill the coolant up with this coolant machine, and this thing gonna be ready to go down the road. All right, so got the fan back in there. Got the radiator support. I'm about to put this piece right here back in there. Got the coolant machine running. I got a vacuum on the system, so I'm doing a leak check. So I waited about 2 minutes so far. So it's holding vacuum on the gauge there. 25. So they're around about 27. About 27 inches of vacuum. So I'm about to fill this bad boy up. Get this thing buttoned up, get it ready to go down the road. All right, so I'm taking this X5 for a spin, doing a test drive on it. So I'm gonna test drive it about 5 miles. Just got done doing that water pump repair. Just want to make sure everything's good. And after I test drive and put a few miles on it, I'm gonna pop the hood and kind of do a QC check, that's basically checking our quality control. So I'm gonna look under the hood, make sure all the hoses are still intact, because some of these hoses clip in, and uh, if it comes unclipped, that can become an issue. But I know I got them pretty much clipped in good. Uh, it's just always a good idea to just check over, your work when you're doing work like this, because just want to make sure when the customer gets the vehicle, there is no issues. So gonna do that. So yep, this right here is this is a 2022 X5 BMW X5 40i. So this is the current generation of the BMW X5, the G05. This is a 22 model, so this is about a year and a half. So this is I believe today is what June 20 June 27th, 2023. So yeah, this one's about year and a half, year and a half, depending on the production date. So it's got around 31,000 miles on it. So it's got the B58C engine in here. So I mean, 30. Some people probably say 31,000 miles is like it's not a lot of miles on the car, but as far as a water pump failure, uh, you know, that's kind of would be alarming to the average person. So I would say that there's a small percentage of the vehicles with the B58 six-cylinder engines that have had water pump issues. So we don't see like a whole lot of them, but yeah, there is a small percentage that trickle in every now and again. So, but so just wanna, just gonna test drive this car real quick, and then I'm gonna pop the hood. But just want to thank you guys for hanging out with Cool Fred. Just a day of the dealership life, working on vehicles, working on BMWs. So the ultimate driving machine.
Hello. What can I help you with?
I don't even know what I touched in here to make you do that. Cancel. You're just driving around, the car starts talking to you, stuff starts popping up on the display there. So as I was saying before, this is a 2022 model. Uh, BMW did do a facelift. They normally call that the LCI, which stands for Life Cycle Impulse. Is pretty much when they usually once certain vehicles are out around, I would say 4 to 5 years, they do like a mid-cycle refresh. So they may change the front bumper, and they'll change some things about the car. So this right here is uh, the pre-facelifted edition, and the facelifted edition is the 2024 model, which they started producing maybe about 3 months ago. So the 2024 X5 is a little bit different on the inside. There is it has the screen, the iDrive 8. I believe this car has the iDrive 7. So that's this screen right here, this layout with this instrument cluster. So the iDrive 8, and I think right now they're on iDrive 8.5 because they made some improvement to the new system, which is like pretty much the bigger dual screens that came out on the BMW iX. So BMW is a technology company, so they're always changing something and improving something and making things better. So, but yeah. So this is what I do pretty much on the day to day. I repair these vehicles, test drive them, make sure they're good, and get them back to the customer so they can enjoy the ultimate driving machine experience. So I'm gonna come back with a quick video of me just popping the hood, looking up under there, and that's gonna be it. All right, so here we go. Everything's all done. I can uh I can see the coolant level is still good. So I'm gonna take my flashlight and just kind of just look around a little bit, make sure everything's good, make sure the belt is on there good. So so far everything good. So this thing is ready to get on back to the customer. So I just checked the vehicle out. Everything is good. Thank you for watching another episode of Cool Fred's Beamer Tech. Till next time. So if you guys like the content, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.